Welcome to this series where we'll learn some basic techniques and methods we'll use in our lessons. In this lesson, we'll learn about drying our paintings. See the description below for links to all the videos in this series. Here's an outline of a tree. The paint is wet, so we want to dry it so we can handle the painting without smudging it. The easiest and slowest way to dry is just to wait. Allow 5 to 10 minutes depending on the paint thickness and room temperature. To shorten the drying time, you can use a desk lamp. You can also set the painting outside to dry in the sun. I prefer to use a hair dryer because it's faster. Be sure to set it on low so the paint doesn't get blown around. Another reason to dry is to set the paint so you can add layers to it. When you're done, dry it if you want to handle the painting right away. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you get the most out of painting with watercolor. To send me photos of your creations, email them to the address in the description. To be notified when there's a new lesson, be sure to subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.